Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll enjoy making simple and easy flowers with beautiful butterflies. So let's enjoy coloring. So for this, you can use a canvas or acrylic painting paper. So in step 1, let's get ready with the background, where we'll first prepare our color mix. Now apply colors randomly on the canvas. And use a makeup brush or flat brush or a mop brush to create this background. If in case you don't have a makeup brush, you can always use a large brush or a mop brush for creating this background. And now let's make bouquet effect. To make these circles, use any object with round base, so I'm using markers and a pencil. Add water to your color mix for getting a transparent bouquet effect on the background. Let the first layer of color dry completely and then add the second one and increase the intensity of white color in each layer. In step 2, let's paint flowers, for which I am using pink and white acrylic color. So before you start making them, just mark points for your reference. This will help you to remember where exactly the flowers would be. And now I'm using round brush number 12 and picking up colors randomly and create one stroke flowers like this using a round brush. These flowers are so simple and easy to make, you just need to give it a try and enjoy coloring. In step 3, let's paint butterflies. A small tip here, if you start coloring it directly so the background colors will be visible. So first apply a coat of light color on the base and then start coloring it like this. Add more details to finish the painting and do try making it and enjoy coloring at home. And now it's ready. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then do hit the like button, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.